Hi, it's me. Achoo! With the sneezes apparently today. Achoo! Excusez-moi. um, I forgot to do two things I wanted to do today is I want to say hello to my adorable favorite niece, Leah. Hiya, Leah. Mwah. Kisses. Auntie Sherry loves you. And to tell you that, yes, we did lose Coco. She went to doggy heaven. Yes, I believe dogs go to heaven, so shoot me. But thank goodness for my sweet husband and for Jesus and my sweet Elvis. So I hope you enjoy these videos. I hope I'm helping someone out there that has been hurt the way I have been. There is um, there is joy to be found. You know, just walk through, just keep on that path. And, you know, I hope I can encourage you in some way that it's going to be okay. Just turn to the Lord. You know, not that that's going to make, you know, that it's going to make the ride easier. It just, you just have someone by your side all the time. If you want. Who wouldn't want? Okay, I'm done for now, I think. God bless you. And hugs to all of those who have been hurt by in any way by someone that should love them the most. Okay? Bye-bye.